Evening, myself Shweta, clinical instructor from RPMS Bastara Karnal. आज का टॉपिक है वी आर स्टडिंग द फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एंड वी आर स्टडिंग कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सिस्टम. In cardiovascular system, blood volume increased by 40% or more to cope up with the increasing requirements of uterine wall placenta. Increase in plasma then in red cells, hence hemoglobin level falls by 80%. This is called physiological anemia, which is very common in pregnancy. But this physiological anemia causes tiredness and malaise from early pregnancy in females. Progesterone acts Progesterone function is to act on the smooth muscles of the vessel wall to produce hypotonia, which cause rise in temperature. Pregnant women have a good peripheral circulation, hence they don't feel cold. Heart increase in size, increase in stroke volume and cardiac output by 30 to 40 50% and small increase in heart rate. In second trimester, little fall in BP, hence fainting can occur commonly. In third trimester, weight of the fetus may compress the aorta and inferior vena cava against the lumbar spine in supine position, which can cause dizziness and unconscious, which is also known as pregnancy hypotensive syndrome. Exercise in heat should be avoided as there are chances of teratogenic effect of raised core temperature in early weeks. Reasons for varicose vein and gravitational edema are vascular hypotonia, downward pressure of the enlarging uterus, weight gain, which is common in pregnancy, raised intra-abdominal pressure, progesterone and relaxing mediated change in collagen, varicosity of vulva and anus, hemorrhoids, piles may occur. Estrogen are responsible for fluid retention in body tissues, shape of the eye changes, increased peripheral circulation and hormonal stimulation. Mucous membrane, example nasal and vaginal becomes more active than lush, snuffy nose and increased vaginal discharges. Respiratory system, resting respiratory rate from 15 to 80 breaths per minute, tidal volume up to increase up to 40%, alveolar ventilation increase, expiratory reserve volume decreases. In third trimester, because of the enlarging uterus, the diaphragm descends, and by the time it displaces the diaphragm upward by 4 centimeter or more, which is normal. Upward pressure of the fetus caused flaring of the ribs. Subcostal angle increased by 10 to 15%, 15 centimeter. Relaxants soften costochondral junction and makes them mobile. Breast changes by third to fourth weeks. Enlargement begins, stimulated by rising level of estrogen, progesterone, and relaxing. Increased in breast weight in pregnancy is about 500 to 80 grams. Sebum secreted against the nipples to become more softer and palatable. By 12 weeks, pigmentation starts. Pigmentation is related to stimulation of melanin produced by anterior pituitary. By 16 weeks, colostrum can be expressed. Human milk comes in about 3 or 4% postpartum day. Skin pigmentation is seen in linea alba, vulva, and face. Stretch marks developed over buttocks, abdomen, and breast. Increase in blood flow to the skin, which increase the activity of sebaceous and sweat gland. Females are expected to drink more to compensate. Fat is laid on thighs, upper arms, abdomen, and buttocks. Now I will end this YouTube video here and we'll continue in the next YouTube video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel RPIT Academics. Thank you so much for watching.